Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can clear all your cache and junk in Windows 11. So starting from the desktop, you want to go to the search bar down here and you want to search settings right here. Now on settings, go to system. On system, go to storage. On storage, you'll see that there's a couple of files and sections here that you can see, right? So there's installed apps, videos, temp files, pictures, and others. Now, all of the cache and so-called junk is stored within the temporary files section here. So just click on it. Now, once you click on it, you'll see that it'll give us a rundown of all of the cache and junk that we have. So for example, the downloads section, although the downloads sections is your downloads folder, right? So whatever you download, it will be deleted. But if you don't want to, if you want your download folders to be deleted, don't check this. But the rest like thumbnails, temporary internet files, delivery optimization file, device driver packages, these are all chunks and things you won't need anyways, right? So just check all of it and then click on remove files. Remove files, continue, and then it'll give us a little progress bar here. There you go, purging all of the cache and junk, the Windows upgrade file, and then you're done. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.